Another exciting one at the shop today. This one's a little bit different. This truck over here is getting a 3-inch body lift on a 6-inch lift, so it'll put it about 9 inches to clear some 37s and 14 wides. We normally do the 3-inch body lift on like a 9-inch lift to put it at 12, but we're doing 26 14s and 37s on a 6-inch with a 3-inch body lift, which I'm actually pretty excited about. Give you guys a cheaper option to hit your 9-inch goal. It's the last time you'll see it on a 6-inch lift. You good? Inside lift. That's so freaking cool. It's like teal inside. We got the 3-inch body lift finished up on the 6-inch rough country, just to show you guys rough country, and I wanted to give you guys a cheaper alternative to getting a 9-inch option as opposed to doing like a 9-inch McGaughys or 9-inch FTS. And here is our finished product. You get every bit of the looks of a 9-inch lift, in my opinion. The only drawback here is you're gonna have a little bit of spacing underneath the wheel well here. Sorry, I guess the rain's making me not be able to talk. With these steps on it, you can't see the frame underneath the doors at all, which is freaking amazing. And then obviously you're gonna see the frame rail on the back just a little bit more. Your exhaust is gonna, actually no, I think your exhaust stays the same with the bumper. It does, yeah, the bumper stays the same. There's no gap in the bumper. Where the tailgate is, no gap. No gap on the bumper on the front either. I did get a question from a customer about that the other day, so no gap in the bumpers, front or rear. And then the only difference that you're gonna see, you will see a little bit more of the cross member in the front. Like a McGaughys kit, you're gonna see the top, like on a McGaughys kit if you're doing it, you're gonna see that top cross member there a little bit more. On this rough country, you don't see it anymore in the front as you did originally. And then obviously, like I said, a little bit more there and a little bit more on the frame rail in the back. But outside of that, same amount of trimming on a 37, 2614 as a 9-inch McGaughys would be. A little bit of trimming in the front, remove the mud flap and trim a little bit as well. 2614s, 37s for a fraction of the cost, really. You're definitely saving a little bit of money, so good alternative to get a 9-inch lift. 3-inch body lift, 6-inch rough country, 2614s, 37s. Yes, I know I'm talking fast, it's cold and rainy, but we get this bread regardless, baby. And before we go back inside, I did get this one finished up today. 2614 Extreme Mudders with the Venom RTs, but we did do the 9-inch McGaughys. Shout out McGaughys, best lift kit in the freaking nation. We got my man hooked up with some McGaughys upper control arms on the front to match that lift kit. Love the McGaughys upper control arms. Look at the stamp on the spindle there, love it. And then I don't know if this is just me or not, but I don't remember McGaughys having the logo in the center. I remember them having the logo on the bottom. Where am I? I remember them having the logo on the bottom and then the accent pieces here, but for whatever reason I don't remember this logo being there, but I actually kind of like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. 2614s turned out really good. AT4 ready for pickup. Hold on, let's look at this one first. What we got going over here? What we got going on over here? The gold twins. The gold.
That thing 30-ish, man.
I couldn't let you be the only one with the gold now.
I know, right, man? God damn.
I had to step my game up just a little bit.
Coming at me, too.
Look at the enthusiast hoodie, though. I kind of like that.
I know, man. I know. I'm trying to win me. We got the goddamn...
I kind of like that.
I'm trying to win a truck. That's why I brought this.
Win a truck to give away a truck?
Hell yeah, to give away goddamn dually.
Yeah. Which cat you cutting off?
My bob, dude.
Really?
Yeah, I got a real bob.
Leonard runs up front and says, man, I got some great footage for you. Come outside, like, right now. I'm like, what is it? Man, we just caught a dude cutting cats off trucks in the back.
Drive shaft hanging down. This is a real box, buddy.
This is shaped like a box, looks like a box.
Tooted and all.
Drives like a box, tooted like a box. What the hell you got going on today? Just cut that thing. Just cut it. Just cut it. The Cat Bandit.
Thank Backside thing's all about whack you in the head. Yeah.
It's the best thing I've seen all day. How much you get for that cat? About 50 bucks?
About 400, buddy.
Really?
Yeah. I ain't putting it back on.
Hey, does it run and drive?
Oh yeah, Fred Flintstone. You see the drive shaft hanging out? The motor's on the front of the trailer. You think it runs and drives?
Oh, I thought there was a motor in it.
Why don't we just put it on this front spot right here? Huh? Why don't we just put it in this corner spot right here? Right there? Oh, I will. It's coming too close anyway. Yeah, I'll put it right there.
You gonna do it tonight? Oh no.
No, I'm just unloading it. Is that a good one or we gotta rebuild that one? I just want to put fresh gaskets all the way around the rear main. Yeah.